Hey y'all, I'm still thinking about Easter and the children, things that the kids can do. And I know you've all probably made that dirt cake out there where you make it in a clay pot. Well, Teresa was surfing the web and she saw a dirt cake with the same ingredients, but just put together a little different. And I think this will be even easier for little children, don't you, Teresa, to do it this way?
That's why I picked that, and I think it's fun with the decor.
Yes. So I can't wait to show y'all what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with an 8-ounce package of room temperature butter and sour cream.
Cream cheese.
I meant cream cheese. What did I say? Sour cream. Y'all know what I'm thinking. Now I'm gonna put some powdered sugar in there. And continue to mix this up. All right. We're gonna put that aside now for a minute, and then we're gonna come in here with our pudding mix. And we've got two like 3.4. Yeah, 3.4. That wouldn't taste so good in there though. I'll take that out. Okay. In goes our milk. I'm going to just do a little at a time. And it won't take this long at all because it's, it's an instant pudding, not the cooked kind. So it'll get thicker. The more we beat it, the thicker it'll get. All right, I'm gonna let that sit and get a little bit thicker. Now I'm gonna come down here. I think I said it earlier, your dirt cakes, I always thought about being in a clay pot, so it really looks like dirt. This one's put together a little different. We have got, those chocolate cookies with the stuffing in the center. We've got that, and we're gonna put that in our 13 by 9 by 2 pan. And this part of the dirt cake, you wanna do this real fine, finer than
and I beat
the last layer. You beat it
with that rolling pin is what it told me to do.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get the rest of that out.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Because I think there's some goodie in that.
And you probably
it
didn't really say what size. You could either use the regular size Oreo or you could buy the family size if you want thicker crust.
Yeah. And what doesn't get used in the cake, you can eat, right? There's nothing like one of those cookies with a glass of milk.
Mm-hmm.
At bedtime, ooh. Press that into the bottom. I'm gonna take those bracelets off. I'm gonna get stuck on something. Yesterday, y'all, and I was scared. I had a 13 by 9 by 2 glass pan, that's got the holes here so you can maneuver it good. My ring got caught in that hole. I've never, ever thought about that happening, but now I'm aware of another trap. And we worked with it for a few minutes, and finally, my jewelry is so hard to get off because of the arthritis in my knuckles. But I finally got the ring off because I just couldn't work it through that slit. Scared me. All right, let's look at our pudding. Look how thick that is. So there's so many traps in a kitchen, y'all. I'm gonna back up a little bit, y'all, because the Cool Whip I was supposed to mix in with the cream cheese and the butter. But that don't matter. It don't matter. All right, so I'm gonna come in here and get that mixed in good. All right, so I'm gonna take our pudding that's nice and thick now, and I'm gonna fold it into our butter and cream cheese and Cool Whip. I think I'm gonna need a bigger spatula. That's my little spatula that I use to get mayonnaise out of the jar. All right, so we're gonna pour this on top of our dirt. That bowl's heavy, so I'm gonna have to do it like this for a minute. I just realized something, y'all. This is not your mama's banana pudding recipe.
To some degree.
That's how we start off making Nacho Mamas. And this stuff is good. It's good. All right, and if you hadn't tried Nacho Mamas, you gotta do it. Now, every Easter, I put edible grass in my children's Easter baskets. So, but I'm going to use this for our grass. I've never tasted this. I wonder what it tastes like. Tastes like paper. Tastes just like paper.
It's supposed to be themed, tastes like candy apple or green apple.
Well, maybe it does to some people. You know, I don't think you can expect a lot out of grass. Much flavor. That may be enough. All right. Remember, I suggested to y'all that you don't crush this as fine as you did the bottom because it looks more like dirt if it's not overly crushed. I'm going to need some more, Teresa.
I don't have any.
Well, what am I going to do?
You better spread.
Well, I can't, you little buzzard.
You always tell me make do. And now you're...
I'll make do. Dadgummit. Me and my big mouth. This is the fun part. Actually, it says to put this in the refrigerator and let it set. But I'm not going to do that. Because I think you have to have patience to do something like that. So we're going to hide the little eggs. We'll hide one back over there. And we'll hide one here. And then we're going to come in and put our grass. Put us a few twigs of grass to hide our eggs in. It's curved from being in that package. The next one I do, I'm gonna put the grass in before I put in the eggs. So cute. So cute. All right, let's see. And I'm doing different color bunnies. And you can really decorate this, you know, any way you want to do it. Any way. Put the last sprig of grass. Listen, I could do so much grass. To me, the grass makes it so cute. Look. Now, you know those children are going to love this. And they would love it even more if they get to help mommy or grandmommy help them to make it. So cute.
Love it.
Love it too. This is as cute as using the clay pot.
Mm-hmm.
And a whole lot easier to serve like this. Now, if Olivia was eating this, she would cut it like this. And that would be the serving size so everybody could have a bunny. So, happy Easter. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail.
I knew you were going to sing that.
I used to sing that to my children, and they just, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. Why you looking at me like that for, Eddie? Eddie would never sing that song with me, would he?
No.
God bless. Happy Easter, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.